Welcome back, guys. Where I left off, I entered this water thing or river, whatever it is. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's get back into it, shall we? Let's go. How do I do this? Like, where am I? Okay. Oh, if I go through there, will I enter? It's like Pac-Man, dude. Okay. I'm guessing I can't reach that. What do I do? There we go. This double jump mechanic's so good. I love it. Ow! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Give me health. Thank you. There's a new STD. I've never seen this one before. And I can't hit this one, of course. Okay, even harder. What? I don't want to do this. This seems so hard. Okay, there you go. Oh wait, I gotta get up there. Oh, this whole thing is like a portal. I understand now. So what now? What do I do, boys? Do I do that? Okay. Oh, calm down, Ori. I know you're excited. Sounds some Naruto music. Boys, we're doing it. Yeah. Probably should have saved up there, but anyways. Ow. Ow, wait, you get hurt. Okay, you get hurt. Wait, I want that thing. How do I get that? I'm dead. My dumbass. Ooh, okay. There's a lot of things that can hurt you here. I didn't even see all these. Okay. Oh, okay, asshole. What the fuck is going on? Boys, do you see this? Oh, okay. I understand. The game just wants to toy with you a little bit. Test your limits. Oh, fuck, I'm dead. Is there a way to jump higher on those things? I think if you hold oh! Yeah, if you hold space, you jump higher. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's not get hit by that thing, like always. Give me that. Oi! Let's save. Fuck! I just kept getting hit. Look at that. I just get hit. What the hell was I? Wow, this is hard. I'm gonna give it to them. They love to challenge you. Why do I go back? What? I'm so confused. How do I get hit right there? What the fuck? I'm dead. What the fuck? Gotta like jump right away. Oh boy, it's gonna be hard. Why do I keep going back in? I'm confused. What? What? What the fuck? How do I keep getting back? How do I keep ending back up in the other one? Fuck that. I should have saved here. Watch me die. I'll be so salty. Please put me in a safe place. Where am I? I almost fucked up. I have to go into this. Like, I have to. Okay, good. Ain't gonna fuck me up. I could. Oh, you could fucking push these. Should have pushed this one then. Oh, where? Can I push them through? Like, tunnels? Please don't fall and kill me. What? No! No! I don't want to do this again! Oh, that wasn't that bad. What the fuck? You boys thought I was gonna die. Oh shit, don't do that. That's what it does! That's how I died before! I'm dead. This should be fun. Alright, we got this, we got this, we got this. Boys. We got this, boys. Now I know what to do. Now it's gonna be cake, dude. Okay, now it's gonna come from the top. Hey yo. Let's save. Thank you. Alright, let's go through this now. Oh, whoa! You fucked me up, bro. You have another boss? Are you joking me? Oh, I'm getting fucked up. Oh, she's fucking me up, dude. Okay, don't get hit again. Can't reach him over there. You shoot fast. Hey, yo. Where am I? What? Where am I? Oh, okay. That goes from up there to down there. Fuck, I missed. Oh, fuck. Look, no, get off of that. Are you joking me? I have to do this again. Let's go! Come at me, bro. I'll fight you, man. easier this time. So I know. But I can't hit you in there. You're a cheater. You're a cheater! Alright. Oh, no, I want you. Easy. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck me. This game stresses me out. Gives me diabetes. Oh. Fuck. I did it the first time. I'm gonna do it the second time. Why do I keep running into those things? I fucking missed. What did I do? Can I not drop so fast? Can I not hit those things? Thank you. Fuck that, because I know I'm gonna just die somehow. Oh, fuck me. Fuck. No. Open up, bitch. Get me out of here. I'm scared. I didn't mean to save. Yeah, I did. Yes. Yes! Okay. Let's get my new upgrade, shall we? You've learned dash. To use this ability, hold the right mouse. Oh, okay. That shit's cool. I'm gonna go up there. Wait, why can't I do it here? Oh, no. Fuck. I think I was supposed to do it way earlier than I was. Okay, that's fucking cool. Hard to kill, holy crap. Now what? I think I just fucked myself. Don't I need that frog to get up there? I do. That's why he spawns again. Got it. Oh, okay. Don't know how I did it, but I did it. Just go with it. Just go with it. Alright. Can I dash? Hey. What do I do now? Oh, I can dash off these things. Oh, okay. baby. That's how we do it. That's a cool attack. Oh, kill him. Oh shit. Oh, I don't go. Oh, I do go up there. Oh, that dude. I gotta fucking do this. Fuck, I'm dead. Alright, let's try this one. I want to just... Yeah, get that. Get that. Now, let's get hit. This is part of the plan. And then let's go up. And then let's shoot your ass over there. And let's do that shit again because it's fucking missed somehow. Fuck out of here! Oh, this attack's cool, dude. Let's see what's down here. Oh, okay. Fuck, I missed. I missed again. I missed again. God, yeah. Ow. Thank you. So for some reason I can't reach this one. It's so close, dude. There has to be. Nope. Okay. Fuck you. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. What the fuck? Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, Soul Link is ready, dude. Thanks you for riding. Hey yo! Motherfucking god over here. See that? Where are we going to now? Ooh, that thing shoots lasers. Ow, 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 these things hurt, these things hurt, these things hurt. Oh, okay. Gotcha, bitch! obviously want to go up here. There's something up here. The heart of the Gensoji. Remove the corruption of both sides. What the fuck you think I am, a doctor? How the hell did I do this? She said from both sides, so I'm guessing. I missed. Oh, fuck out of here, bitch. Dude, that shit's dope. I missed. Fuck it, I'm gonna take damage. I don't feel like killing that thing through it. Oh my god, keep missing. That should hit it. Yeah, that's good. I'm outies. Yeah. Easy. Oh, this way up there. No, I missed. Can I reach you now? Go up there. Okay, so somehow I need something to hit. Oh my god, that's fucking annoying. I know what to do. Oh fuck. How the hell are you supposed to do this? I'll die. Oh, I literally gotta go underneath it. What? I died? House. Oh, I just gotta do that thing again. That's such a cool fucking move, dude. They did such a good job with this game. Fucking hell. Oh, that's why you gotta destroy all the... Oh, kill him. I don't know this thing goes. Oh, I gotta direct it up here now. Fuck, I missed. Oh, that's way too early, dude. Come on, you know. Oh, I'm getting hurt. Back out of there. No! Why did my mouse go that way? just harder to control, I swear. Oh, okay. Oh. No! No! Why you do this? Oh shit, I'm dead. That's so annoying. Let's go down here again. You cannot create a soul. Fuck you, enemy. Fuck you. Okay. Almost die in the process. That's cool. This shit's so much harder to control when it moves. Let's go, boys. Come on, don't tell me I missed. Oh, I didn't. Oh, yes. Yes. Fuck you. I met with the one. Hey, yo. Ooh. I can't swim! Oh, that's what these are for! Okay. No! Oh god, where do I go from here? I don't even know. Oh my god! The fuck? You know, no! Fuck! Oi, learn to swim! Okay, we got this, boys. Which way? This way. We got this. Speed run this bitch! Come on, shoot! This is so fucking nerving. Oh my god, my heart's beating too fast. Fuck this. How do I get up to the next area? Okay, I can't save. Fuck, that's so hard! Why would I restored the heart and yet it's trying to kill me? Fuck, I'm dead. Let's go. What the hell? No! No! Water, why? Oh, that went the wrong way. GG. Boys didn't seem to die a lot. I got this. Oh no. What? No! Why? Why do you do this to me? Oh my god, I almost fucked up again. Oh my god, this is so hard! I don't even know what I'm doing half the fucking time! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The owl, bro. Oh no. Oh, word. Thanks, little monkey thing. I could swim now. Let's see if I can swim now. Oh, that's amazing. I can. Oh, you hear a little noise? That's adorable! Oh my god. Lols. Oh, you're fucking cute, dude. Anyways, that was a hectic ass episode. Hectic. I'm gonna leave the episode off from here. You guys know the drill. If you liked it, subscribe. If you didn't, you know, try to like it. You know what I mean. Leave a like, leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.